Coding is back, and today we're going to be talking about CSS variables, which are not so different from JavaScript variables. So they are essentially to store values or pieces of data which can be repeatedly used throughout the CSS file without having to manually hard code the value. Suppose of a background color or a hexadecimal value, you won't have to hard code it all throughout the file, and you could just use a variable for that. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. It's going to be a really short video, so in case you like content like this and you like some of my previous videos, please do check them out and hit the subscribe button and like this video and hit the notification bell for further alerts on my videos that I'm going to be launching soon. So let's get started. I have this empty VS Code folder or workspace open, so I'm just gonna first create my index.html, and then I'm gonna be creating one more style.css. And so with my index.html, as you've learned in my Emmet course, exclamation point, hit enter. I'm gonna change this to CSS variables. And then so to demonstrate this to you, I'm gonna be creating divs of two sorts. So let's get going. I'm gonna create a class of red, and then I'm gonna be making, let's say, yeah, I'm gonna be putting some li times 2 here, or actually times 3. So yeah, I'm gonna put 1, 2, oops, 2, 3. I'm gonna be putting classes. Oh wait, actually, you know what? I'm gonna be hitting Alt. So class equals child. Okay. So this is this really cool shortcut. So you could do Alt, Shift, and down arrow to create another copy of this. I'm gonna keep this as blue, and then child. Child 2. Okay, let's go for child 2. Hit save here. I'm just gonna open this up with live server, see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, I just see these LIs. You know what, I'm just gonna be changing the text between them. 1.1, 2.2, 3.3. Now I save it. Yeah, now you see this text with the LIs. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna start. Wait, you know what? Let's just change all of these LIs to ULs. These two UL. Oops, I forgot to press the Alt key. UL. So yeah, this is how it is. So let me just link my style.css into this HTML. Link :CSS. Yeah, and I get this automatically pre-populated. Go to my style.css. So to initialize, okay, wait, you know what? I'm just gonna be starting with the basic thing that most people do. M0 P0 6 BX BB. So yeah, box sizing border box. And then yep, now I'm gonna start styling all of this. So to initialize variables, what we're gonna be doing is you do press color and root to essentially start initializing the variables. So CSS variables are actually anything that starts with 2 hyphens. So I'm going to be demonstrating one of them to you. So let's say div background color. Let's put it as magenta. Okay, and then I'm gonna initialize another variable, say text color, say red. Actually, I don't think magenta and red would go too well. So royal, how about that? Royal blue. Yep, that's a good color. And I'm gonna put margin 10 pixels. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do 2 rem, padding 20 pixels. I save that. Okay, you see there's nothing actually changes over here, and that's because I haven't actually used these variables anywhere yet. So let me just jump over here and take the class red, go along here, red. Yeah, I'm gonna be background color. So I'm gonna be encapsulating this in a var function, and then I'm gonna be putting div background color. Save it. Yeah, you see this top portion, which of it is red, I'm encapsulating in magenta, which seems to be a little weird to put red into magenta. Okay, I changed this to red, and there we go. And then let me just put the rest of the variables. And then text color seems royal blue. I'm gonna keep it as yellow. That's better. Color var 2 hyphens text color. Save it. Yellow. Okay. So margin var margin padding, and then you could just type padding in here. It automatically generates this var function and the 2 hyphens. So I'm just gonna be saving that. You see all of this gets right there. So I'm gonna be doing one more thing. Okay, I go down to blue. Okay, so you might be thinking, oh, you forgot to generate another variable for blue. But no, the good thing about CSS variables is you could just wait. This is actually supposed to be uh this blue. I think I could just do div background color blue. Yeah, I know why it doesn't do anything. Because when you take that background color as a var, div background color, you change it to blue here, and then background, let's see, this works. Background color blue. Yep. So you initialize the variable right here. You put the variable, you put, oops, my bad, div background color. See, it changes directly to blue. What happens with CSS variables is, even though you defined it as red here, okay, it's gonna get the latest updated value for the variable. So yeah, we changed this right here to blue. And what essentially happened was change the background color to blue. Suppose we want to change the text color, so text color, let's say pink, and then color text color. Save it. So yeah, pink, and then I can apply the padding and margins. I think I would like to keep that the same. So I'm just going to be copying this bit of code from here. I save that. So yeah, so this is how it essentially works. you initialize it in the root, and you could put it practically anywhere in this entire document. Suppose I'm gonna give blue a hover effect. Okay, I'm gonna give both of them a hover effect. Hover, hover. I'm gonna change background color directly to div background color. Yeah, I know it's blue. I haven't updated it. I'm just gonna be copying this, paste it here, change this to red. However, it becomes red, and I want to change the text color to. Oh my god, I'm not able to select stuff properly. Oops. Copy, paste. Okay. Yellow. And then I just get this snippet and put it like that. It changes to red. And then I want to do the exact same thing here. Actually, I'm not going to be copy pasting it right now. Alt shift down arrow, red, and then div background color is blue, pink. So yeah, you see, I hover over this, it changes to that. I hover over this, it changes to that. So just for fun, I'm gonna add a transition like I did in my last video. 0.5 seconds, all ease. I'm gonna ease out. Oops, this was for the blue one and I didn't save it. Okay, let's check. See? It changes, not so abruptly as it changes without the transition. You see, it takes its time, goes slow. From that, it goes to purple and then blue if you see more closely. Okay, I'm gonna be adjusting the timing just for once to show you how it goes. Yeah, you see that? Purple, purple, purple. Yeah, see, that's how it goes. So I'll change this back to 0.5 and then yeah, you could actually put a transition for this also. You could put a variable for this also. I'm just going to be showing you that. Here, let's define it. Transition. Let me just copy paste this part. So I copy paste that part. Save. Okay, and then I just copy this variable. Put a var. Control V. Var. Control V. Save it. Exact same. No change. So yeah, CSS variables can be applied for anything. When I say anything, I actually mean everything. You want box sizing to be different? Sure, we can make a variable box sizing. This is going to be my last demonstration. Probably you're getting tired of that. Box sizing, border, box. Okay. Well, then I gotta keep this root here. Box sizing, save it. No change, see? So that's how it works. You can use it for anything. And then the HTML, just put a class for this. And I'm going to be sharing all of this code. There's going to be links down below in the description, giving the GitHub code. So you could walk through it or run through it if you prefer. And then, yeah, let me know down in the comments below how it was, or if any difficulty that you have. I'll come back right to you. So thanks for watching, guys, and then I'll see you in the next episode. And before that, if you like this video and if you checked out my previous videos, you like them, please hit the subscribe button and comment down and give a like and comments and share with other people who love to code to make a difference. Thank you everybody for watching.